Before we get into code, let's see how we are going to install and use React. And to be able to use React, unless you have the following tools. First step is that you have to make sure you have Node.js being installed. And Node.js is going to be our environment to run React. And also npm as our package manager. If you install Node.js, you have npm being installed automatically. If you are part of our full stack course, then we have already installed this. And we are going to use create React app to create React applications. And definitely we're going to have our coding editor. And for me, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code, browser, and then the terminal or the command line. And for this, we're going to use the terminal that came with Visual Studio Code. So to make sure you have Node.js and npm being installed, open your terminal and then make use of this as node-v, and that is version. And this is the version of my Node.js by the time of watching this video. And to check npm, it's going to be npm-v. And this is the version for my npm also. So it means that I have Node.js and npm being installed. In case you don't have Node.js, then make sure to go to the official website to install Node.js. To install, you can click any of these versions, but the most recommended is this one. And this is the current one. So to know more about the downloading, click on the download and make sure to select your operating system, either on Windows or Mac or others. Alright, so make sure to have Node.js being installed. Alright, so now that we have Node.js being installed, we're going to use VS Code as our coding editor. And in case you want to have the same look as my VS Code, let me show you the extensions and theme that I'm using. We're going to use beta comment to add some beauty to our comment, and this one called Year 7 React Redux, and this one going to help us to scaffold React component pretty easily, and I'll show you when we get there. And for my icon, I'm using Helium icon, and then IntelliSense for CSS, and NightOwl as my theme, and Node.js modules, have IntelliSense, Prettier for formatting code, and Tailwind CSS. This is not required. Alright, so let's get back to business, how to install React applications.